Yes, hello guys, welcome to another video. I just managed to purchase a Kiwin staple gun. This is one of the most unique machines I've ever bought. One thing I like about this is that it is it looks quite durable, because I once bought from this company called Ryobi, and they have failed a lot of times. One of the reasons is because the here was always plastic. But the unique feature about this staple gun is that it is metal. This is brand new. It is metal, and you can be able to see this is the metal body that it has, which makes it very unique as compared to the ones that are made from plastic. Because sometimes when you buy the plastic ones, they tend to fail here due to the impact. This kind of electrical products, they use very high concerted blows. So this is now the Kiwin. This is a brand new model. This is how it looks. I don't know where this company is from. Maybe you guys from the video, you can be able to tell me where it comes from. So now this is rolling pin. It's made of wood, very hard wood. So I'm going to demonstrate how this works. So you have this. So what happens first, there's a switch here, this black switch. You press it when you want to load the pins. So you press that and you pull it out. As you can see, that's what happens. So here is an illustration of the kind of pins you have to use. Remember guys, if you have this kind of a gun, you have to be very careful on what kind of pins you use. Otherwise, if you don't buy pins according to the dimensions written here, there are very high capabilities of it failing or just getting destroyed. So this is how it is. So I want to show you how I managed to load the pin here. I've just loaded a pin here, this one. So this one is, the pin I've loaded is 15, yeah, this is 15 millimeters, this one. So I've just loaded it in there. So what happens, you press it inside, inwardly. So when you press, it has a lock here. As you can see now, it is properly locked. So this is the trigger, this one, and then now this one balances whether you want to use a lot of force or not. So this is the red button. Use this red button as well. And then now the power switch. This is the power switch, is this one, on and off. You put it on or off. That's the power switch. So now this is already loaded. So I want to show you how powerful this gun is and how effective it is. You can imagine how long this pin is. The whole of it is going to sink inside. So this is how we go about it. I'm going to show you just right now how it is. So the gun is already loaded. Then the most important thing, when you're pressing, you have to make sure this is the safety switch. You really have to make sure this one, you have to press hard on it. So this is how it works. It will not release unless you've pressed hard on this. So even if I press the gun, nothing happens. So now this is, you can see how it works. So you gently press, and then you release. No, sorry, that is already off. So I think I'll have to switch it on. Let's try again. Very powerful. You can see the pin is completely set inside. I've not pressed it hard enough. So let me try and press hard enough so that this one completely sinks inside. So this is how you press. Yeah, you can see now the pin has completely sunk inside. I'll continue pressing. Yeah, you can see the strength of this. I've not pressed it so hard. You have to press it. I have to press it slightly harder so that I'm able to sink it in completely. So this is how you do it now. Wow, that wood seems very hard. This is very hard wood. But you can see the effects of how this is. Yeah, you can see how it is. So let me still try and press harder. You see? Yeah, that is how it is now. So guys, if you are looking for a good staple gun, this is the perfect choice. I decided to buy this. I have decided to buy this brand Kiwin as compared to Ryobi, and I found that this one works better. So thank you so much, guys. Please like and share my content. Thanks.